Have you ever wondered why kids get cataracts? It's very common in adults, but for children, cataracts are less common. And I wanted to give you guys an overview of what pediatric cataracts are, how they're formed, and then what we do about them. Hope you enjoy it. So first of all, what is a pediatric cataract? A cataract is any clouding of the natural lens of the eye. The light usually comes through the pupil, goes through the lens of the eye, and then is focused in the back of the eye for signaling to the brain. When that lens is clouded or has a cataract like this, instead of the light coming through and focusing, it spreads out and sends a blurred image, or sometimes the light is blocked completely from getting to the brain. Cataracts can happen for a number of reasons in children. A lot of times they're born with cataracts from abnormalities during pregnancy or development. Other times there can be metabolic conditions like diabetes or infections that can cause cataracts, as well as trauma. One of the big things that you want to look for is a white pupil. So if you see that your child has a white pupil like this one, that is a sign of a cataract, and you want to reach out to your pediatrician right away so that you can get connected with a pediatric ophthalmologist and have surgery to remove it and allow light to get back through. I hope you enjoyed this, and we can talk more about cataract surgery next time.